Mermaid Treasure Chest. Oh my goodness. So this is the prep for it. This is day 1 and 2 of all my prep work. This is the box that I cut out. This is how big my treasure chest is going to be. Huge. These are the pieces that kind of go first. The paper that you see right here, that's for the edges. And all the way down the line, you can see the sticky notes and the prep work for my actual pieces of the treasure box. This is what I use, what I'm going to be using: masking tape, paint brushes, of course, paint. My spray can bottle is not out here, but I'm going to be spray canning it. You guys will see the black spray paint. Elmer's glue, water. It's going to go in the red cup as well. Foil paper, that's going to make the little knobs for the treasure chest. I'll show you guys later. My glue gun, the glue gun sticks. That's about it. Oh, scissors, a ruler, and my black marker. The only thing I have left to do for the prep work is the cutting of the sides. So it's going to be the edges. You need to have edges in order to keep everything together for the actual treasure chest. So that's the only other part that I need to do. And I'm going to try to show you guys a little bit of that right now. If I can get the camera nice and steady. Just going to flip this around so I can show you guys. All right, here it is. And we are going to get started showing you guys the rest of the prep work. This is going to be the edges, and I just take it with the ruler and kind of, I want it to be in half so that I can make the edges pretty even all the way around the box. So you're going to need 4 of those. So I am going to get to cutting that. I'm going to just take my little marker here. Hope you guys joined me this morning. I did my little belly dance workout. It's how I keep in shape as a mermaid. So I marked the little piece here in half, and all I'm going to do next is just cut that right down the middle here. It took me 2 days to do all of the prep work, all of the cutting. I think I used about 3 boxes total, including the big box. It has the lid off, so I think I did about, oh, perfect. So then your edges, you would just have to bend this, right? You just want to like, oh my gosh. Woo. It's going to be a very interesting portion of this. It's different from all the rest. But this is going to be like the edge. So you're going to put it so it keeps everything together. So there's that. And then since I need 4, I'm going to have to cut another one of these in half. So let me get to it. Hope you guys are following me on my YouTube channels. I've got so many cool uploads on my YouTube channels. All right, so let me just cut this one. As you can see, same thing. Just gonna cut it right down the middle. I don't have like cardboard cutters or anything like that that makes this easy. I just have regular old scissors, just regular scissors, not even like super sharp ones. Oh my gosh. I told my husband if he's ever thinking of a special gift to give me for my birthday, because that's the only time that we do gifts, is to get me scissors, because he is always stealing my scissors, and I need good, sharp scissors so that I don't have to take forever with these projects with janky scissors. And then you're just going to do the same thing. So now you have this piece. You're just going to take it, kind of bend it and work with it. And these are going to be the edges of the box. Sweet. All right, so cool. Huh, oh my goodness. All right, you guys. So tune back in just a few minutes, because I am going to show you actually day 3, now that all the prep work is completely finished now. All the prep work is done for getting started with this. Stay tuned.